Hello.
Hi. Hi, how are
Hi.
you?
I am fine. How are you?
Yes, I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Brijesh Yadav.
Okay, it's nice to meet you. My name is Hannah, and where are you from?
I am from India.
Excellent. And why are you learning English?
Yeah. Uh, I have many purpose, but right now I am learning English for personality development.
Okay, fantastic. And is this your first time on Cambly?
No, it's my second time Cambly, but
Okay,
recently I have been using Cambly for a month, just for a month.
okay. And what would you like to do this lesson?
Yeah. So whatever you want to teach or what conversation would you like to? So I will agree.
Okay, so do you want to have general conversation?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Have you seen this before? This?
Never. I never saw.
This one? Have you seen this?
Yeah, I am.
Ah,
I can see right now, but it's my first time.
okay. So, can you tell me a little bit more about yourself and what do you do?
I do nothing. I just learning English. I completed my study in English. That's why I am practicing here. And as far as my hobby is concerned, so I like workout. And
Yeah,
now I started watching podcast for pronunciation. And
excellent.
I like to be with nature sometime whenever I feel bored in
Okay.
my casual days. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, excellent. So, do you study or do you work?
I completed my study, but I don't work right now.
Okay. And what job do you want to do?
Yeah, basically, I just want to be a teacher like
Okay.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
Fantastic.
will pleasure if I would be.
Yeah, amazing. So where do you want to do that? Do you want to uh, teach in a school?
Yeah, I want to be a teacher in my village area, in my region, because
Excellent.
yeah, it is grateful. It will be grateful if I teach to my villagers as well, because
Yes.
there is a lack of English communication, and English speaking English is really a big deal in my
Okay.
village right now,
Yeah.
because they speak just Hindi, and
Okay.
they don't taking his account into learning like this language, like this subject.
Yes.
And yeah, I want to make him understand the importance of English.
Okay. Fantastic. So you're going to be teaching English.
Yeah, I wish.
Yeah. That's amazing. And we've got some more questions. Um, Here we have. What is your favorite movie?
Favorite movie just recently is my favorite, because Natu Natu song has won Oscar award. So
Ah,
I
yes.
I like Oscar award winning film.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fantastic. And do you have any plans for the weekend, or what did you do last weekend? Yes, the weekend just been.
Yeah, last weekend I talked with many native speakers, and after that I purchased a book, English translation. It was depend on English translation.
Yeah.
So I kept translating 2 or 3 pages. But yeah, actually I want to do more,
Yeah.
but I don't know how we procrastinate sometime.
Yes. yeah. Yeah, sometimes it's more difficult doing it. But yeah, that's really good. And do you want to study English quite a lot then, like every day, or do you want to try and speak with someone every week who is a native speaker?
Yeah, I just talk with the native speaker because there is no environment like this with whom I could speak English.
Yes.
And yeah, I keep practicing on computer, on book.
Yeah.
That's why I practicing.
Yeah. Excellent. Okay. And the next question is, what is your dream vacation?
Yeah, dream vacation. Uh, I just saw like Switzerland, where I saw very good waterfall, and it is very good country for visiting. And other than apart from that, I saw Bali in Indonesia.
Bali? Yeah,
Yeah, so
definitely.
both my bucket list.
Yes, yes. Excellent. And finally, what is your dream job, or do you feel like teaching is your dream job?
Yeah, teaching as well as sometime I think to be a YouTuber as well because on YouTube you can put your thought in front of the world. So I am a bookworm. I like to read books and
Yes.
motivational book as well. So I want to be a YouTuber as well, where
Yeah.
I could motivate to people. Yeah,
Excellent. So you want to put lessons up on YouTube as well, so people can learn from there.
yeah.
Yeah.
So whatever I want to share, so it's a good platform for that.
Yeah, yeah, it is. Yeah, it's a really good platform to reach more people, and especially if people don't have the means to lessons or money so that they can pay for someone to teach them English. I think that's a really good thing to do. So we don't. So this is the end of this slide here. Okay. So when you're using Cambly, you can find different lessons that you might want to have a look at and request. So, for example, we have General English, Intermediate, and Advanced questions. Let me see. So like this, so we have different conversations. So you can request these before you due to run, and we have lots of different lessons. Have you seen this before?
I am seeing the same slide.
Can you not see this slide?
Yeah, but it was first one. It's not changing.
This intermediate conversations topic, lesson 1, cooking. Can you see this?
No, I can't. I just see the same. Whatever you said
Ah,
first.
what
Not,
about this one?
sorry, it's not changing. So let it be
Uh,
and
yeah.
tell me something about yourself.
So I'm currently so I've been online for almost half a year now, and I'm traveling. So I'm currently in Laos. And have you heard of Laos?
No.
It's near Thailand and Cambodia.
Cambodia. It's Iceland.
It's sorry, can you say that again?
It's Cambodia. It's Iceland.
No, it's Southeast Asia, near Thailand. Yes,
Yeah.
yeah. So that's currently where I live. But I go back home soon, back to England, and I'm going to also do a course that allows me to teach in schools too, because I really enjoy teaching online. So yeah, that's a little bit about me. Do you have any other questions that you would like to ask?
Yeah. So how I can be a good teacher? Can you say something?
Sorry, can you say that again?
How I can be a good teacher like you?
Yeah, I think you will be a good teacher. You speak very good English. I think that I think a lot of practice on Cambly has helped me, especially with my confidence in speaking to new people. So yeah, I think just a lot of practice. So when you start off, but I'm going into teaching with primary children. So it will be very different from what I'm doing now. But I'm looking forward to doing something different.
So what have you studies?
So I have a degree in fashion marketing, but I have to become a certified teacher by doing a 1 year course. And then if I pass that, I can then teach in schools.
So would you like to teach English or marketing something?
No, so I want to teach primary children. So children who are from the ages of 5 up to
Yeah.
yes. So I would teach lots of different things, I think.
So would you like to teach a small kid?
Would I like to teach?
A small kid like 5 to 11.
I would just like to teach children from those ages.
Yeah. So you have a different degree and you are becoming teacher. So I think I saw many tutors who do the same. They have another degree, but they turn out to be a family tutor or teacher.
Yeah. I didn't think I would. Well, I never expected to enjoy teaching so much. But I do really love teaching on Cambly. So yeah, I'm looking forward to going back home and doing the course so I can teach in schools.
Yeah. So sometimes you feel that someone on Cambly is speaking something or you didn't understand.
What if I'm teaching someone that I don't understand what
No,
it
you,
is?
not you. People in front of you is speaking something and you hardly
Uh,
understand his accent. Yeah.
yeah, I see. Yeah, so that does sometimes happen, but I just use the text, so you can message, and then you can understand what they are saying, and they can understand what I'm saying. So that's really useful too.
Yeah.
Okay, our time has come to an end now. It was really lovely to meet you. I wish you all the best with your teaching. I hope it goes well. And
Thank you.
take care. Okay. Thank you so much and goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.